Hey guys, and welcome to Ivy's Coupon Camp. And today is Monday, and we are doing Walgreens a coupon and haul today, guys. And we're gonna go over some more things that's kind of going on for Black Friday. But as usual, we have a budget of $5. If we go over, it's because some of the coupon and deals I just could not resist, and we can get them free for gifts and to add to our stock pack. So let's go. Okay, all the Halloween stuff on sale. All of it. Let's see. Oh, 50% off. All Halloween stuff. Okay, so last year I bought suits. Okay. Halloween candy, 50% off. Oh, let me see what they got over here. Okay, here are the Advil 198 a liquid gel. So we're gonna grab some of these. Okay, and this is the coupon that we're using. Is out of this week's Retail Me Not, but don't quote me on that because I cut it out before I came in the store, guys. But the new inserts for 11/1, that's where these coupons come from, okay? No judgment zone. We're gonna grab 4 of these right here. 2, 4. And they are the Renew Body Washes by Swab. And they are 97 cents. 97 cents. Okay, and these are the coupons we're using for the Suave body wash product, okay? And they are the new November 11/1 Unilever. Okay, now we're gonna get the Suave Kids. It's $188, but we have a coupon for $150, so we're gonna save 38 cents for these. We're gonna grab 2 of these. Okay, let's go find us. Let's see if we can find some more. Okay, guys, so I'm coming back for these. And I'll be back for this. But look, it's only one left. So I'm gonna put it right there. Yes, I am having it. And let me see. See, they done cleared it out. They done cleared a lot of it out. Johnson's, you're gonna look for the ones for $2 because that means you pay 92 cents or 50 cents, whichever one, how much they cost. So, I mean, you know, just when you have to get on these deals quick. So I was looking for the Palmers, and here is all the Palmers right here. So they have a lot of the Palmers. I forgot I have to check Walmart for a lot of these deals. So now we are going to go over here to the food because I have some food coupons that I want to see if I can get a good deal on those, which I should get a good deal on some of the food products if they here. I don't know. So if they're not, then you all will know it because I won't have it in my haul that I show you at the end of my couponing. Okay, but we in Walmart couponing, guys. Let's go. So this is the mirror I want and need, and this mirror is $60. Hi, I want this mirror. That's me, guys. Got my hair in 2 French braids. Let's see. But this is a nice mirror. It's $60. Now it's from the floor all the way up. I think I'm gonna get, but my daughter has like a huge one, but I'll be satisfied with that one. I like that. That's pretty. I like it. So I just got wind that this location will not even have a PlayStation 5s. They're gonna put them to one central location, which is probably one about 15 minutes away from this one. Not even 15, about 10 minutes. So you know, my husband want to grab a PlayStation 5. I don't want to get one. I don't think that my son needs that at this point, but he is getting it anyway. So that's between him and, you know, them two. I wouldn't get it. But see this? They emptied out all their TVs because they're getting ready to put on a new TV. Look, guys. I am like really fascinated. I love albums. Like, oh my God. Yes. Greatest hits from Queens. You gotta be kidding me. Oh my God. This going on my list, but I'll probably get it myself. I already have. I got that CD. That was just showing y'all a little bit of who I am. Let's go over here to the TVs. Oh, guys, and I might connect the Best Buy video to this one because they appliances. If you want to grab a pressure cooker for a good price, go to Best Buy. Okay, so now they got a Vizio, they got LGs, same one. This LG, look at the Vizio. That's a Vizio. This is a LG. Wow. Okay, that's the Philips. That's how the Philips look. That's how the LG look. It's obvious the LG is the best one. Somebody else said they couldn't see the obvious. Like, okay. But, I mean, you know, sometimes my eyes do that too. I wear glasses, so. Okay, so let's go over here. I might connect that video. Okay, now, I might connect it because Best Buy had the Crystal UD and so did this one. See that? Wow. A big difference. A big difference. See, this one is the 7 series. You have to look at the series of them. Look at the series. So let's go over here and get our food. And one of the people told me, one of my subbies, I am going to check out in electronics today. So if it works, I will definitely call you out because I will love you forever. Let's go. So 50% off, day 228. So I'm gonna grab Twizzlers, my favorite. I just grabbed me a pack of Twizzlers. And today, me and the kids and my husband's having movies. So we will be watching some movies also. But this is great, guys. These also make good stocking stuffers. Stuff this in their stockings, guys, for Christmas. Okay, guys, we are back from Walmart. This is the couponing haul that I done, and I'm gonna tell you something. Unilever November, that's your best friend. If you have that Unilever, that is your friend, okay? If you have any of the Smart Sources or Retail Me Nots, wherever this Advil is, that is your friend for Walmart. These are the Johnson & Johnsons that came out last week, I believe, for $2. These was $2.92. So they was 92 cents. These actually was on clearance for $1, the Zest. I made sure that they were the right alcohol base in it. So I want to get these cleared out because these also are going to go inside of my care packages. So 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I need like 4 more. Okay, so this is what we got right here. We have the Zest, that was $1 clearance. And Walmart has tons of it. You do not have to worry. It's tons of it. So, I mean, grab it. These are good stocking stuffers. Good to go in your car. Good to go on your desk at your office. Even down in your purse. These are $2.92. They are the 6.8 fluid ounces. That coupon is for... This is $2.92. The coupon is for $2. That coupon expires on the 7th. On the 7th. But I think it's a longevity coupon if I'm not mistaken. But, you know, check and see. Because some coupons tell you it's a date that say expire. But when you check them through Queer Seeker, those tell you if it's non-expiring. So I believe it is. But I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 6 more coupons left. The Advil. The Advil came out this week. These work on these right here. Now, some people say they got them from the front of the counter, up there by the counter. I did not. I went where all the medications was. It was a ton of Advils. It was a box with these stuff down in them. That is where I got this from, okay? And the minis work. Let me see what else did I pick up by mistake. And it work on these because I made a mistake and picked these up. So it does work. It works on the minis and these. Those $2 coupons, these were $1.98. So 2 cent moneymaker. Okay. Now these were $1.84, I believe. If so, let me check my receipt. $188. $188. The coupon was for $1.50. So these was 38 cents a piece. 3, 4, 5. I have 5 more coupons of that left. So I will get that. These are all going in my stockpile. Free or cheap stockpile. Free, cheap, cheap. These were $1.97. We had a $1.50 off coupon, so you pay 47 cents for these. Now, when I go back, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. I have exactly 6 more coupons. I'm going to get the body wash, the men's 2-in-1 with body and hair. That's the one I'm going to get. One of my coupons beat for some reason, and I did not do this haul huge. Now, all of these, every body wash I had, all of these were free. So I'm missing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That makes these free. So all of this was free. These were free. Cheap, 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 and cheap. Let's start adding to our stockpile, guys. Let's build a free stockpile. Thanks, guys, for tuning in to Walmart Couponing Haul from Ivy's Coupon Camp. Name change coming up soon. Please make sure you subscribe and hit that like and drop me a comment. Thanks, guys. Bye.